Bismillahir Rahman Rahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Finance Business Partner. In our Smart Office series, last time we used advanced animations in PowerPoint, which I got overwhelming response from the viewers, and they have been asking me to give new animation tricks. So today we will discuss morph. First, we will go step by step what is morph actually, and then we will go into the complex and advanced usage of morph transitions by applying 3D models as well. So now I'm just giving you an idea. This is, say that, the picture of Joe Biden, the president of United States. When we apply this one, his picture is being morphed, but it is not an advanced transition. Okay, so now second case, when we tried that one, say that it is a rectangle shape. We want to morph it in a smiley face. So this transition, how we do it, I will let you know how we do it. Second one is that Mr. Trump has been replaced by Joe Biden. So this is the transition. So people like this one. This is the kind of transition we have been using. The last one is the 3D model. I will give you an idea how we will prepare the 3D model. As I have been in the shipping industry, I use these in for my presentation at higher levels, that how we conveys the 3D models in our presentations. So I'm just giving you an idea. This is the shipping model. And then when I put it here, this is the 3D model. I have been showing this. You see, everything is there on the go. So the viewer the actual dimensions of everything. They can show where is their own information is there. You can check it. This one, this is the idea they have got where the stacking of the containers are there. It is just for the information purposes. So this is a very useful tool when we try to do this one. So how we do it, we will go do it one by one. Just we will add a new slide. uh, okay, and I will do a couple of things like this. Here, we first of all, as I told you, I will give you an idea how we apply the morph transition. The first of all, we will go into our pictures, say that I want uh, Trudeau picture, okay, and then I put him on the side here in this quadrant, and then I copy the same slide and put him here and try to make him a little bit bigger. Just change the dimensions. When we apply over here, this is the new transition mod thing, morph, introduced in 2019 and Office 365. When I applied the morph, you will see that the same picture, when I apply it, it comes as a transition to me, and then it shows a very beautiful smooth transition. But at times it is not required for me. So because I want to change this picture with another one, say that I want to change this picture by um, say that anyone, I will take it from my device, like Boris Yeltsin. Okay, he comes over here. Now, PowerPoint doesn't know the picture. They know the file name. They know the path of it. So what we will do, we will take it this one, go to the home tab, and in the arrange tab, we will go into the selection pane. In this selection pane, there's a picture number 4 is there. So you can go over here by applying the exclamation mark. This is the most important thing. The exclamation mark, and you can put anything, say that Zahid, like this. Just copy this one and go to another picture and force PowerPoint to read it as exclamation Zahid. Now, when we apply it here, the same thing here, you see the picture transition, you see it looks very beautiful when we using in the videos that the actors pictures has been transitions from one to another, and with their faster imaging. You can it's very beautiful image, and it is a very pleasant experience for the people when they see the transition of pictures. So it is one of the morph transitions they have been using in the system. So this is a very powerful tool, they have been using it. So now the shapes, this is the picture. Now I will apply the same thing with the shape. I take it like this, take the rectangle, this circle. When I place shift, it will give me a very smooth circle shape. Now I want this shape to be turned into, uh, say that I will go up over here, format, edit shapes. I can edit the points and I can change the shape. So comes over here, I want to take it as a smiley, this one, and make it a little bit bigger. The same logic we will apply over here in the oval shape. I come over here, I will not change the name now. I will take it oval 1, exclamation 2 times. At the smiley face, I change the name with oval 1. Now I am forcing PowerPoint to read it as a one shape. It is the transition. I will apply this one, and then you will see the smooth transition from the circle to a smiley face. So this is very important. Now, most important thing, 3D. People have been asking me about this, and I'm really happy that people like this transitions. Now, when we come over here, there are, in 2019, this is the pictures. When I go over here, there is a tab for 3D models. You can, we have already take pictures, shapes. Now we will go to the 3D models. I will take the stock 3D models. There are too many things, emojis, chemistry, clothings, and everything, but I would love to have control over shipping. So I will put it like ship and see if I got the, I take this one, okay, because it's a container ship. I am in this industry since more than 10 years, in fact more than 16 years. So this is one of the things. So it came over here. I will not change anything. I just copy it over here. Now when I select it, you will see it gives me 3D model views. This is very important. This already there. I want to this shape to be like this. In another slide, I just copy it, Control D, go to the shape, and in the Format tab, I want it to be look like this. I will try all the options available. When I come over here, I will come and see what other options I have. It looks good to me. Okay. And another time, Control D, go over here, take this one for your presentations, and it is one of the best tools I have ever used in my presentation. So you just make it a little bit bigger. Taking this one. This is the first one. Okay. Now I will select it, all the relevant slides, 4 or 5 slides. I have taken it from here. I come over here. In the beginning, it shows a very small ship size. Now come over here in the transition pane, morph. Okay. Now it is morphed with this one. Now I will apply this one. It looks very nice, small ship, but in the second shape, it gives me very 3D image, very powerful 3D image that it will give you a side overview of the ship. Then it was the drone at like a drone. You can see the top side of the ship, so it's very powerful. Now you can see the another way whatever you want. So it is very important tool, and we have been using this in our presentations for 3D models when since it has been introduced. So you can change anything, whatever you like it. So I hope you people like this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up, and subscribe, like, and comment on my tutorials, so that I will prepare new tutorials for you. Thank you very much.